Hi, welcome to this demonstration using Office 365, Power BI, and Bing Map services. All the names, locations, and scenarios used and shown in this demonstration are imaginary. Today, I am guiding donors to locate school of their choice of a donor support program where the schools are represented by the color dots on your screen, superimposed on the map. We are using Ask with Power BI Q&A feature of Office 365 Power BI services for this purpose. Using this feature, we can explore the donor information set by simply asking common conversational style questions. Let us first review some statistics about the school in this program. There are 37 schools currently enrolled in this program, covering almost 61,000 students across the country. Together, they hold about 180,000 in donations already received. Here is the detailed tabular view of the same data for review by the donors. The donors would like to see in a comparative manner the factual characteristics of the school. Example, the spread of students across these schools and amount of funds available to these respectively. Using the same natural flowing query, we ask Office 365 to show us the student count by the school. Office 365 automatically chooses the appropriate bar chart graphic representation format with schools ordered in descending order of the number of students. If we like, we can reorder it interactively to show the smallest one on the top or sort it differently to get a different perspective of the spread. Similarly, just by replacing the word student by donations, even though spelled incorrectly, we can view the amount each school has currently in the bag. Reordering by ascending order of the schools surfaces the school that is currently least endowed with the donations that may be at immediate risk of running out of funds. Now the donors are really getting interested. They want to visualize the amount of donation available versus the number of students for respective schools. Again, a simple query, notice that Office 365 can even interpret the misspelled words correctly. Prompts Office 365 to automatically select the scatter chart format for displaying the information appropriately. This information shows there is a general trend where the larger school tend to hold more donation. However, there are outliers that may be in need of funds urgently. We then further refine the query by adding the lesser than and the greater than qualifiers to identify the target candidate donation schools where donation less than 1000 and student greater than 1000. These are at the risk of running out funds sooner. Atari Primary and Gihor Children's Schools are two such potential recipients to be considered. Now the candidates' recipient schools are narrowed down. Donors would like to see where these schools are located. Office 365 can show their location on the map of each school for donors viewing. In summary, users can see the location and characteristics of all schools interactively superimposed on the geographical map plotted using the Bing Map services. The interactivity permits them to zoom and pan in any geographical area of interest. Zooming in, panning, zooming out. It lets them set filters for the amount of donation currently the school holds. Let's see the users would like to highlight the schools that have received the donations less than 4,000 till date. Setting the filter using the slider and dragging it down to just under 4,000 highlights the schools that are having donations less than 4,000. This way, the software allows the information to be presented in the way it makes sense to the donor and they can use it effectively. Thank you for your time for watching this demonstration.